Hello, this is a quick video about an IBM server I've just picked up. It's the IBM E-Server Xseries X232. It's got P3 1 GHz processor. It's a 13G model. Pretty good condition apart from some slight damage to the IBM badge, some scrapes. Powering up was no issue. I don't have any drives as yet, but I do have all the caddies. I bought an extra caddy because it was missing one, and there's a spacer at the bottom. What I did find is it did have dual power supplies. However, this one is dead, so I've ordered a second one. This is capable of 3 power supplies, so I will end up getting a third one for it. What I'll do is I will probably post a couple more videos. The aim is for this to be set up with IBM Warp server for e-business. So yeah, hopefully I'll get that set up soon. But thank you for watching.